We are here today to witness the union of Ryan and Ansley in holy matrimony. Marriage is truly one of the greatest gifts that God has given to us. Marriage is more than just an institution created by a culture. Marriage is created by God. And this is a truly unique, memorable, and special day and moment for all of us here. Lord God Almighty, I ask that you would give Ryan and Ansley the wisdom and grace to love each other in the way that you have designed. I ask that you would draw them ever closer to one another, to be humble and selfless with one another, to confess and forgive when they hurt one another. I ask that you would help them to always trust and be trustworthy to always persevere through whatever life brings. Thank you for the gift of marriage and for bringing Ryan and Ansley together. Amen. So Ryan, will you take Ansley to be your wedded wife? Will you give yourself to her? Will you share completely with her in your life together? Will you promise to be open and honest in your relationship? Will you give to her all comfort and support, strength, and be loyal to her as long as you both shall live? Now for you, Ansley. Ansley, will you take Ryan to be your wedded husband? Will you give yourself to him? Will you share completely with him in your life together? Will you promise to be open and honest in your relationship? Will you give him all comfort and support, strength, and be loyal to him as long as you both shall live?
Shall live.
By the power vested in me, by God in the state of Georgia, it is with exceeding joy that I now pronounce you husband and wife. Ryan, you may kiss your bride. Ladies and gentlemen, it is with great joy that I present to you Mr. and Mrs. Ryan Brown.